I heard a saying once, an ounce lost means miles gained. On the trail, the weight of our pack determines how far we can go. So we're always looking for ways to maximize the impact of every ounce, because the less weight we carry, the more places we can see. From rim to rim of the Grand Canyon to the passes of the John Muir Trail, I found myself reaching longer distances by leveraging the equipment I already had. These adventures led me to the creation of TrekChair, the ultimate combination of comfort and packability in an ultralight backpacking chair. With TrekChair, we've integrated trekking poles into the design of the chair, allowing you to leave behind the added weight and bulk of traditional backpacking chairs. At only 1.5 pounds, TrekChair optimizes the equation of going longer and farther. Its compact design stows easily in a backpack pocket, and it can be deployed in a moment's notice. Paired with our custom carbon fiber trekking poles or your own, TrekChair provides backpackers with the ultimate strength, holding up to 250 pounds. You can sit upright or recline a full 45 degrees, giving you unmatched comfort for its small size and weight. As an avid backpacker, I'm excited to bring TrekChair to the adventure community. We have yet to hit the apex of innovation in backpacking, and it's up to us, the adventure seekers, to ask ourselves, how can we make things lighter and more comfortable? A journey should never be burdened by the weight on our shoulders. With TrekChair, we can climb to new heights, find the paths least traveled, and unearth what the journey has to offer.
PanduPanda.com. Subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notification about new latest unique product. Like, comment, and share the video.